Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about contemporary India and education. In this class we going to see what is education, meaning of education, definitions of education, aims of education, objectives of education, types of education. Introductions of education. An education system refers to the economic and social factor that typically make up public school at the federal, state and community levels. Such factors include public funding, school facilities, staffing, comprehensions, benefits, teaching resources and more. Meaning of education. Educations also refer to the knowledge received through schooling or instructions and to the institutions of teaching as a whole. Education is skills, aptitude, improve, talent and gift. What do you mean by education? The word education is derived from the Latin word the educatum, which means to bring out in the senses. The meaning of education is bring out the better qualities of the individual. Definitions of education. According to Ross, the word education is derived from the Latin word educare, which means to bring up or to raise. It means that education is that process which brings up or rears the individual in the right way. These are some other definitions. Aims of education, individual aim, social aim, spiritual aim, vocations aim, cultural aim, moral aim and intellectual aim. Objectives of education, modernization of education, social and national integrations, natural of social, moral and spiritual values, education and productivity, securing and strengthening of democracy. These are objectives of education. Education refers to the development of the learning and thinking process. It goes beyond the four walls of the classroom. It is all about gaining experience, and therefore we can divide educations into three main types: formal education, informal education, non-formal education. Formal education, the student and the teacher are both aware of the fact and engage themselves through a process of education. Some of the examples of formal educations are classroom learning, institute grading, certificates, or planned educations of different subjects with a proper syllabus acquired by the attending an institutions. Then informal educations, this is the type of education wherein a parent in teaching a child academics likes preparing a meal or riding a bicycle. People can also get informal education through books or educational websites. This is an education that is not derived in schools through a proper learning method. It is not pre-planned or deliberate. The non-formal education, it refers to adult basic education, adult literacy education or skill development. It can take different forms of learning which is constantly and systematically provided in order to develop a particular skills or ability in an individual. These types of education is highly flexible and includes a wide range of activities. Some of the examples may be fitness program, community based adult education courses and free courses on different platforms, etc. These are the difference between formal, non-formal, informal education. Here a video clip in social media examples for education.
You ready? Yes. Good. 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 Sir. Very good.